Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Talabat Pay. The first I'd like you to do is to launch a Talabat app on your Android or iPhone. If prompted, sign into the account where your Talabat Pay balance is stored. Your wallet balance is linked to your Talabat account, so make sure that you are using the correct account before placing an order. Well, once you're logged in, just go ahead and tap on your profile or account tab, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to the account management page where you see every option related to your account management stored there. So now you're going to have to look for Talabat credit. All right, so click on that. Now it could be Talabat Pay or wallet, just something similar to the wallet section. So open it to view your available balance and recent wallet transactions. As you can see, I have 0 Talabat credit. Ouch. Now, the next thing to do is to shop. Browse restaurants, grocery stores, pharmacies, or other available stores. Tap the items that you want, add them to cart, and review your order to ensure everything is correct. I'm going to do that now. So go to home, tap on anything you want. I think I like this. I'm just tapping on anything at all. So let's say I need this. So click on add item. Pretty much telling them that you want to add to cart. Click start. Takes you here. Click on view card. You view your card. Ensure that everything's a-okay. And click on checkout. Now during checkout, you reach the payments page. And here you see the payment methods available for your account, which may include card, Talabat Pay, Apple Pay, cash on delivery, and other local payment methods. Okay, so what you're going to do is, if you have an available Talabat Pay balance, you're going to see an option called Talabat Pay. Now you can see that my Talabat credit was 00000, meaning it's not going to be visible here. So you see, I just have add new card and I have cash. So if you have an available Talabat credit, you're going to see Talabat Pay. So go ahead and tap Talabat Pay if you have Talabat credit, and the app will automatically apply your wallet balance towards the total order amount. If your wallet balance covers the full cost, your order will be paid entirely with Talabat Pay. If your balance isn't enough, Talabat will ask you to choose another payment method for the remaining amount, such as a saved card or another supported payment option. So before clicking on place order, carefully review all the details, ensure that everything is good and okay, and click on place order. Wait for the payment to be processed, and once successful, you receive an order confirmation. You can then track your order in real time until it arrives. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.